Have the right tool for any mat or tangle with the Go Pets dematting comb, which is double-sided with a different number of sharpened stainless steel teeth on each side. Start with the side that has fewer teeth, brushing with short strokes to work through the matted or tangled fur. Our comb can be used for de-shedding as well. Just switch to the side with more teeth to grab your pet's loose undercoat. The rounded prong design makes the brush easy to clean and more comfortable for your pets. Our comb also comes with a comfortable, non-slip gel handle to make grooming a perfect experience.
That allows you to get a finger underneath it, that you can get a finger under the collar, then you know it's not too tight, it's not strangling him. Once that is done, then it's time to do something fun. So immediately after you put your e-collar on your dog, it's time now to throw a tennis ball or throw a bumper and make him start to believe that when this goes on, we get to do something fun. So he looks forward to you putting an e-collar on. It is his uniform to get to go play in the game. So how do we get a dog to understand that this is nothing more than a leash? In our training, as we start to teach this dog, we're going to be applying leash pressure with our leash on his neck. That's where the leash will contact him. As we use the e-collar, it's going to be contacting the dog at the exact same spot, same location. So now each time that we give a tug on the leash, we're going to give a light bump with a transmitter to send the signal to the e-collar to give the dog the stimulation. It's just a light tap. Each time that we use a tug on the leash, we're going to tap him with the collar. And before too long, in his mind, these two are the leash and the e-collar are the exact same thing. There is no difference between them. Now with that, you need to be careful. Probably the first 2 weeks, we're going to have a min-max rule.